The first shipment from Suzhou Pharma machinery in April began with light rain. Today, 540 high containers are being shipped to Europe. The goods for this time are still top-quality clean room engineering accessories, including glass windows, clean sandwich panels, etc. Pharma Clean not only provides you with clean room accessories and purification engineering equipment, but also offers one-stop services in various aspects such as early planning and design, construction and installation, equipment debugging and performance testing, operation and maintenance management. Welcome to contact your best partner.